Welcome back, Steve, Al Metal Dryer-Vent, almetaldryervent.com. So, as you see, we're working on a condo building today, and we are going to that one. Second floor. Dryer vent actually, it exits via the deck, okay? So we're literally this one here. Stack unit. I've had a lot of people asking about stack unit, doing a cleaning on a stack unit. Unfortunately, these are old, guys. So this one is a stack unit. However, this stack unit is embedded into this closet. So I'm not going to pull that machine out if I don't have to. It has good solid metal flex hose, which I'll show you in a few minutes. But either way, we're going to clean out the dryer vent. See ya. All right, we're back inside. Like I was telling you guys, you see how, can't really tell from there how tight that is. But I've had people asking for a stack unit, and here's a stack unit. I've already removed the panel here. And back here's the dryer vent. So let's clean out a dryer vent. All right, walking out to the porch now. You can see there's two different units. The one we're working on is this one. So as you can see, I already got some stuff lined up, and let's clean the dryer vent. Like normal, first thing I'm gonna do is turn the dryer on. All right, so we have some airflow. Not too bad so far. Let's do it though. All right, so first of all, homeowner wants this damper replaced regardless. So we'll figure that out. But I've got to give love to my buddy, High Sierra Bob. Told me to get an airflow reader. So what did I do? I got one. So currently it's around 629, but I don't know if that's on the right setting. Hold on, we need to change this up. I can't read it through the camera. Is it CFM? We're gonna see. Yep, so I was correct. And you see how many feet per minute we're moving. So let's clean it out and we'll see what it shows in the end. All right, so I'm gonna take this damper off. Well, I say I am. Well, that was on there really well. All right, but just so y'all can see, there's not much airflow in there, guys. Not much at all. All right, we'll clean it up. All right, so right there is the elbow. So that's where it's going in across above the roof and then dropping down into the room. All right, and before I do anything with the exterior damper, remember we were reading about 530 CFM. I'd say that's a little bit better, folks. Again, High Sierra Bob, you the man, boss. All right. Now what I'm gonna do is crimpers so I can fit this new damper onto this ductwork. Oops, like normal, make a U, take the louvers out. All right, so with that small opening, see that lip? I can't get it joined, but if you look up there, let me see if I can get you closer. That duct is level with the fascia. So we don't really necessarily need this snout. It's still gonna funnel that air the right direction to out of the house. So bam, bam, bam. Love a vibrating saw. So what we did was took that snout off. So now it'll mount up there. But I still have to replace that other damper as well. We'll be back. Alright, now you see we have 2 new dampers, and you already seen the airflow is already doubled. So, bam! Alright guys, I'm just going to wrap this one up. I don't know how much it often shows in the video of how much stuff comes out. However, you know, we went from 531 CFM to over 1,200. I believe it was over 1,200. Either way, we doubled the amount of CFM, which means better drying times. Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Quick Connect Periscope, guys. It's not for every job. It's not for this job, but it's for a lot of jobs. Thank you.